What if Earth wasn't our only home? What if our survival depended on a world bathed in red dust, storms that rage for months, and temperatures colder than Antarctica? We've looked at Mars through telescopes for centuries, calling it the god of war, the red planet, a dead world. But now, we're not just looking, we're going. The real question is why? Why are we spending billions to send rockets, rovers, and eventually humans to a frozen desert millions of miles away? Maybe, just maybe, it's because we're running out of time here on Earth. Mars has always been more than a planet. It's a mirror. When we look at that crimson sphere glowing in our night sky, we're really staring at our own reflection, our curiosity, our fears, and our desperate need to survive. Every civilization from the Romans to modern scientists has looked up and wondered, could there be life there? Or could life one day begin again there, with us? The idea of colonizing Mars sounds like science fiction, but so did flying. Until we built planes. So did walking on the moon. Until we did that too. Today, billionaires are racing to be the first to plant a human flag on Martian soil. Elon Musk's SpaceX is testing massive rockets designed to carry not just astronauts, but settlers. NASA's Artemis and Mars missions are planning the next great leap for humankind. This isn't just exploration, it's evolution. A test to see if we can become a multi-planet species. Because if we can survive on Mars, we can survive anywhere. But Mars is no paradise. It's a silent, frozen wasteland. The atmosphere is 100 times thinner than Earth's, and mostly carbon dioxide. Radiation from the sun bombards the surface, and the temperature can drop to 100 degrees C. Step outside your habitat without protection, and your blood would literally boil and freeze at the same time. It's not just another planet, it's an enemy world. And yet that's exactly why we're drawn to it. Humans have never turned away from danger. We conquer it. We always have. So, why go through all this trouble? Because our home planet isn't invincible. Climate change, overpopulation, dwindling resources, Earth is sending us warning after warning. Every rocket that launches toward Mars is humanity whispering to the universe, we're not giving up. It's not about escaping Earth. It's about protecting our future. If life can exist on 2 planets, it's twice as hard to erase. Mars is our backup drive for civilization. Imagine it. A sunrise on Mars, light filtering through thin, red air. The first footprints pressed into alien soil. Children born beneath a new sky. A world that once symbolized war could soon become the birthplace of peace, where nations work together, not to conquer, but to create. For the first time in history, humanity won't just look at the stars. We'll live among them. So why are we going to Mars? Because the human story was never meant to end on one planet. We're explorers, builders, survivors, and maybe, just maybe, Mars isn't a destination at all. It's the next chapter of who we are. A reminder that no matter how harsh the universe seems, we belong among the stars. If this journey into the future of humanity inspired you, hit that like button. Share it with someone who dreams big. And don't forget to subscribe for more stories that explore our place in the cosmos. And tell us in the comments, would you take a one-way trip to Mars if given the chance?